Hello guys, today we are going to continue our lesson unit 7, sorry, which is in SketchUp Pro 2021. So today we're going to study about style, edit, and here model length setting. So first I will draw a shape for you. Click air or yeah, then P to push it up. Okay, space, select all, and press M, click, and then scroll. Sorry, like this. Okay, space to exit. So I select on this, right click, make group. Okay, so in here we have many here like selected, locked, guide, inactive section, active section, section fill, and section line width. So there are many steps. First, we going to about what is select. So when you select on this, example select on this. So the lines you see it's a little bit green, but what it to be red. Select on it. See, it's red. You can change whatever you want. Black. See, it's black. And what is lock? What is lock? Lock means select on it. Right click. See lock here, and the lock is red. You can change the lock to any color you want. Yeah, cool guy. Yeah. Okay, cool. And guide. What is guide? Guides. Guide mean you click on here, tab measure tool. Okay, so you see the dash line here. The dash line here is the guides. I want to add one more. Okay, click on here. I'm sorry. Again, you see the dash. The dash line is the guides. So click space to exit. Okay, and then what is next? Inactive section. Okay, I want to unlock this first. Okay, what is an inactive section? Inactive section mean you click on this one, section plane. This is up. This is Y, Z, X. Yeah. Okay, I wanna click here. Okay, like this. So inactive line, inactive section. What is the inactive section? And here active section. I want to add one more this. Okay, so if I use this is mean active section because the color is a little bit red. You can change to any color you want. Green, you see, this is the active section. And inactive section is this top. See, the color is yellow. You can select on this. What I want to be this active. So this is turned to active section, and this turned to inactive section. Yes, it changed. Hope you understand it. If you don't understand, please comment below. And this section fill means this, you see, the fill here is black. I wanna, because this active, and you wanna be this active, this will be black. Example. Oh no, I'm sorry. Inactive. No, it must be active. So this is active. See, this is active. So the the fill is black. You can change the color. I'm sorry. Like this. Example. Like this color. See it changing, yeah, the field, because this active, this one is inactive. And we change it back to black. And then this is the section line. So now we select on this, yeah, we select on this. This is active. So the width is black. Now you can change the width to any color you want. See the width here, and you can change the side of the width. Example 20. Oh, it's bigger. Sorry, 20. See the width here. Yeah, that's all. I hope you understand it. See you in the next lesson. Please subscribe for more. Bye bye.